Here are the 5 biggest mistakes when parents are trying to teach their kids to read. 1, they're not practicing enough on each step. They're spending way too little time on each thing, then they're moving on to the next thing. They're being taught way too many things at once, and they never really have a chance to fully grasp the one thing. 2, with each new lesson that you start with, you have to review what you worked on previously. And a lot of people make that mistake. They just move on to the next lesson. No, you have to review what you worked on previously, because you're going to find they didn't get it, or parts of it they did not get. And you're going to have to work on those. So those are not done. You got to return to that and work on it some more, most of the time. 3, not making spelling or a form of spelling as part of every single day or every single lesson. So when you're reading, you're looking at the letters and you're taking it in, and you have to kind of translate it into the sound. So you have to have it go in the other direction. They listen for the sound, you call it out, and you have them write it down. They listen for the sound, and they have to send it back the other way. You need both sides of that. It's so important. I think most people don't realize how important that is. 4, getting impatient with your kid. I mean, it's just the worst thing you could do. It's just going to make them feel bad, and it makes them, well, unhappy for one thing. It puts on more pressure. You can't learn under duress. It has to be a free thing to where it's easy, relaxed environment. It'll just come to them. It needs to be like a free flow. If there's extra mental stuff, it just makes everything harder. So just don't get mad at them. And if you do, you just better hold it together. You have to. It's very, very important, because then he or she does not have to have their attention on you and you getting mad. It's like they just need to have their focus on trying to learn whatever it is without somebody being angry with them. 5, that is trying to teach a kid when they're not really there. They're not there because they're hungry, or they're tired, or they're distracted, they're upset. It could be any number of reasons. You have to get them there in the lesson with you. And you do that by making sure everything's like calm and they're happy, they're well fed. Whatever's bothering them, let's address it and get them there with their attention on whatever you're doing. Because if you don't get them there, they're not going to learn, period. So those are the 5 points that you want to keep there and make sure that they're good to keep things running smoothly.